Karen, aka StrawberriChan, and I'm back with another video. It is another video where we are unpacking something, and this is another new subscription box thing that I've been looking into. I just bought a single purchase from one of them. I bought one of their mystery boxes, you could say, and this is from OCCULT box. Now OCCULT box is another goth sort of spooky subscription box service where they do a subscription thing, but you can't buy singular boxes, and if there's like ones you particularly want as well and you're not really a big fan of any of the other ones, there's other things there too. And I got their Valentine's Day box because it is the month of love, so let's have a look. So it didn't actually come in a box, it came in a bag. So this is it here. It's got the little OCCULT box tag here, and yeah, let's just have a look in. So we have a nice black glittered rose, very aesthetic. Could use that for a lot of shoots and things. I like the purple glitter. I love the attention to detail of the purple glitter. You can't go wrong with a bit of glitter. Okay, so the first thing I see is this is a keyring. So this is a keyring. It is a tarot card of the card The Lovers, the Three Swords, and I really like that. I'm going to try and take it out. I think these are sweets. Yeah, these are little, and they have little chocolate hearts inside, so if you like chocolate you get a little bit of candy in the box. But I do like the little heart thing. I think that's really cute, and you know, I love like tarot card stuff. I just like the design on them, and like I think they look really cool. But I'll just hold that up in a frame so you can see it a bit clearer. It's really nice. I like that. I probably put that on a bag because like I don't really have a key. Well, I do have a key, but like I'm weird with key rings, so I might put this on my bag or something. We have something in here. So this is a big old box and I have no idea. So so we have something in here. Let's have a look. But yeah, this is what we're getting, by the way, if you don't want to stick around and see me unbox this box. But that's what we're getting. There we go, finally got it out. That wasn't hard at all. Ooh, so we have this mirror. This is beautiful. Hang on. So we have this gorgeous mirror. I'm just going to take off the mirror this protector. Oh, and it's double-sided too. So it's a double-sided mirror with horns. And I really like this. Whoa! On the other side it gives me like a funny looking face, but on this side I look okay. Hi, how are you? I feel like Jeffree Star. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? Yeah, my shitty Jeffree Star impression. But I really like the horns. Like, this detail is amazing. Just as I'm talking about it, like you can just see my mouth in the mirror and it's really putting me off. But I really like the horn detail. I think that looks amazing. And it's not made of metal, it's like made of like a wood fabric, like material, but I'll hold it up so you can see all the detail in the light reflection. It looks so good. Yeah, I wasn't expecting a mirror, so I have 3 mirrors now. I have 2 Jeffree Star mirrors and this, but I really like this. It reminds me of like the Beauty and the Beast mirror, but a bit more gothy. This is another thing, and it's in here. Oh, it's a little, I think this is like, I don't know what this is. It's something. Last tango. Oh, it's like a little, oh, it's just a little, this is a little, sort of figure, little ornament, and it is the Lovers. I really like it. It's like they're doing a little dance, and I like the little rose and everything. That is so cute. Yeah, oh, I love that. I love the, like, they're holding hands. That's how I want to be buried with my boyfriend. That's how we want to be buried. Like, that's so cute. Yeah, like I wasn't expecting like ornaments and stuff, but it's really cute and I really like that, because I wanted to get like a nice new ornament for my room, but I wasn't sure on what to get. But I really like this. This is so cute. I love it. Oh, it's so cute. I love how it's in a little heart shape too. And these are love incense sticks. So I don't know what they smell like. The boxes came open, so can we have a whiff? Don't know if we can get on it. Can I have a whiff? I'll have it, see if I can get like a whiff of one. I'm getting a lot of smelly things, like, and the last thing I got loads of smelly things. Ooh, they smell really nice. Ooh, it's like sort of a fruity, sort of flat rose smell. Ooh, I wish you could smell this through the camera. It looks like I'm just poking you with a stick, but they do smell really nice. Like, I love incense. Like, my boyfriend uses the dragon's blood one and it's flat and it like smells so freaking good. It's like, oh, I love it. Yeah guys, so that was the occult box. That was the Valentine's Day box. If you do want me to do more boxes from them, I will try and see if I can get one. I don't have enough money to do like another subscription box service because I'm loyal to Spooky Box. But yeah, if there's any other spooky like mystery boxes you want me to look into, just let me know in the comments below. So yeah guys, if you do like the video, please give it a like. That'd be awesome. Yay. And if you don't like it, if you do like the video, please subscribe to the channel as it really does help me out. We're nearly at 700 subscribers and that's insane. So yeah, we're so close to 1,000. Like if we hit 1,000 by the end of the year, I'll literally die. Oh, and I've got a burp. And yeah, if you don't like the video, poo you. Why watching the video? Go eat Pocky and smile. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video, which is coming out soon. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.